I would say three things that are valuable for this partnership. What we're trying to build as a team is using your capabilities and knowledge to deliver a superior level of knowledge and capabilities for our clients. And that's what we will do. We are Africa's largest bank. In Kenya, we are 6th bank. And our ambition is to become a large bank. So it's a top 3 bank ambition in the next couple of years. And using technology, using our systems and knowledge together, beyond just the upgrade. So what you'll find in Kenya is a market that is looking for people that want to scale. So I'm not surprised that you'll find more partners coming in, and we are good to be your first agent and your first representative in our markets. Number 2 is about doing things which are unforgettable, and this is something that most of you need to remember, that many years later, 10, 15, 20 years later, the journey you started in our market makes a big impact, not just for Kenya, but for the region. Yeah, and it's important that we are largely a cornerstone for Eastern Africa. So whether it's from here into the DRC or from here for Ethiopia, going to down south, going even to the coastal islands, that's a very valuable thing for ourselves. And then number 2 is about building significance. A lot of this implementation and knowledge you create is benchmarking the global best knowledge. Now, Ryom and ourselves, that's what we build in this kind of. So I don't really worry so much when I chair a steering committee, because I know that capable teams and resources have been deployed. And then finally, I would say it's important to build a profile of doing the right thing when you're doing a lot of these implementations and solutions for clients, which is a challenge we face in our market. And that capability is to raise the bar. Yeah, so for choosing our markets and choosing Kenya specifically, I think you won't find another choice for yourself. So use it to be a cornerstone for building your network within the continent and lifting that capability. So we've seen a lot of challenges in projects. And we've seen challenges in implementation and solutions. What we lack is capabilities, global-centric players who come in our markets. So I do believe that with your landing strongly in our markets, coming all the way from the US, you have a chance to be able to lift the capabilities for the markets.